called the Shugden worshippers are funded by China. Now, they're an offshoot among the four sects. The Gelug sect is this is an offshoot of the Shugdens are an offshoot. The Shugdens worship a deity that has been banned by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So this is what the Chinese are using to try and create differences in this sect, the Gelug sect. There are four main sects within Buddhists, and they all work together. The Shugden worshippers are a breakaway sect of the Gelug sect that is headed by the present Dalai Lama. The Karmapa was from another sect, that is the Kagyu sect. So there are about four main sects. Now, China is supposed to be making an effort to try and get their person from the Shugden worshippers as a replacement for the Dalai Lama. This is what they've been trying to do, and they've also been trying to fix people in the Ganden Phodrang, which is a private office that will search for a replacement when the current Dalai Lama, passes on. Ashish Mehrishi joining us with more details. So this is what the Chinese have been trying to do. So are they been targeting certain sects within India and to try and pass them money so that when they interact and then try and slowly, eventually over a period of time, plant people in Dharamsala?
Anand, we broke this story in the morning about more than 100 monks, Buddhist monks and lamas being, investigated or being looked at very seriously by the Intelligence Bureau and various other Indian agencies. Now, most of these monks, it seems to be, and on the face of it, that there is a sect within the Gelug sect. That the Gelug sect is the most important sect because it is headed by none other than His Holiness Dalai Lama. And, people in this sect are called Gelupas. And in this, there is another sect which is called the Shugden worshippers. Now, interestingly, the Shugden worshippers are anti-Dalai Lama, and this has given an opportunity for China. Now, there have been cases even in the past, that is what my sources tell me, that there have been incidents even in the past where intelligence input has come that people following the Shugden worshippers are being funded by China. That is what the intelligence input that has been coming from Indian authorities. And, even Dalai Lama, when he around 3 to 4 years back, when he was in US once, he was gherawed and attacked by the certain Buddhist monks and lamas who follow the Shugden worshippers, who follow this sect. So interesting details are coming out as of now, and it seems to be these people who are basically getting money from Charlie Pang and others in India. It seems to be that these are the people who are part of this sect, which is the Shugden worshippers.
Right, and trying to gather some level of support. Ashish, thank you for your inputs. Please stay on with us. We'll keep coming back to you because this is an hour-long special edition, and we have our guest